Hello, welcome to another unboxing. Today we have something kind of fun. I mean, when is it never not fun? When is it ever not fun? It's like almost 1 o'clock in the morning, so I'm a little tired. But let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. So I ordered this because I had ordered a pug, the 31L. And I wanted to get a station and core for them. And I was able to find this. Wow, it comes with everything. So I was able to find this. They came with a station core. And I don't know if I'm gonna keep the dog or if I'm going to, I don't know if I'm gonna keep the dog or if I'm going to sell the dog. But I'm definitely keeping the station and the core. Oh, goodness. The struggle is so real. Okay. Anyways, so this is a 312, and I'm actually surprised. Like, this box is in pretty good shape all around. Cool. There's a little, I don't know, there's like a post-it over here. I'm not sure what that's for, but anyways, let's cut this. Okay. I used the sharp part of the knife. That would be helpful. Don't go towards yourself. Go away from yourself. Right. Definitely don't use knives for this. I don't know. Use like something a little safer, maybe. Ooh, okay. So right out the bat, pink ball software. Comes with Aibo Life. Cool. Oh, there's more software. Oh, it's the Aibo Life stick. And the battery. I'm curious if that'll work. We have the, let me just put this over here and we'll just kind of pick these up as they go. Here is the station, the core, and the charger. And we'll unwrap everything, don't worry. And then here we have what you can see, maybe. So we have the dog in here. Aww, he's very yellowed, which is fine. Let's see. A little crunchy there. I mean, the joints on this actually don't seem terrible. This is probably one of the better sounding dogs I've heard. Okay. But as you can see, like, wow, yeah. So as you can see, the ears are very yellowed. But we have a fix for that. Okay. Yay. Now let's open this. I'm very excited about this. This is what I've been wanting. So here's the station core. Or the station and the core. Oh, this makes me so happy. And then we have the battery and the software, which I'm gonna attempt charging this in just a minute and see what happens. I definitely will get this resold. Whether I keep the dog or sell it, I definitely want to get that resold. And then Aibo Life. Cool. I don't know if I've ever ran Aibo Life on a 3 Series. All right, let's see. So we got an official pink ball, very exciting. It comes with like all the manuals and everything, which is very cool. Oh, this really has everything in it. It's cool that they included like the whole shebang. All kinds of stuff in here, wow. I mean, I'm assuming this is gonna be empty, but you know. But this has like all kinds of stuff in here. I've never, huh, okay. I don't know anyways, okay. I'm not gonna waste time right now. Let's plug this in. Oh, and it also comes with the dongle, which is great. Okay, let's get things together here. Let's put that back, this back in here, put these back in here. Reseal this. Okay. Let's plug her in. All right, and I'll be right back once this is plugged in. All right, so here we go. This is just to see if we can get any sort of a charge. You just want that to be there. So I put the battery and the memory stick in the dog. Let's open up this. And let's see what happens when I place the dog on here. Absolutely nothing. I'm wondering if this is fully plugged in. Let's see. Okay. Let's hope that it just wasn't fully plugged in. Oh, there we go. Okay. We have a light. But it looks to be that there's no image on the screen. So that sucks, but the orange light is on the back of the dog. So we at least have that, which is fine. I'm okay with the fact that it doesn't show anything as long as the battery is charging. I just like to have them displayed, so that's kind of what's most important to me when it comes to this. But the dog is very cute and in good condition, other than the fact that the ears are very yellow. Anyways. Alright guys, well, thank you so much for watching another unboxing with me today. Like I said, other than the screen not really working, I mean the dog is charging and that's what matters to me the most. So thanks for sticking around and watching this little unboxing, and I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, morning, whatever time of day it is, wherever you are. See ya!